Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can create your own custom page template in Shopify. To do that, first open your Google and open your Shopify. And also, if you are interested in using Shopify, then check the link in the description to start for free and $1 for the first month. If you are interested, then grab the link in the description and try this out. After logging into your account, click on this online store option and click on this customize button. Here you can see this is our current template. To make our custom page template, click on this home page icon and go to pages section and click on create template. Here you can name your template and here you can choose where to put that page. I will choose this as a default page. After that, click on create template and we can customize this page according to our liking. After creating your custom page, click on this save option. Once our customization is complete, click on this exit icon. And here you can see in this page section, our custom page template is saved just now, and this is how you can create a custom page template in Shopify. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel and we will see you in our next video.